Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a checklist on Google Sheets. So I already have everything written down and the things that I want to buy, for instance, and I just want to make sure that I have everything, so I'm just going to create a checklist. You are just going to simply select insert and you are going to select a checkbox. Then you're going to select this bit right here and scroll it down until you have these boxes. So once you're done buying all the stuff you need and stuff like that, like groceries or anything else, you're just going to press the tick mark to check the list. And that's basically how you can create a checklist on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!